Right there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I have this brand new 2024 H&H speed loader. It's a 14,000 pound trailer, two 7,000 pound axles. It's all aluminum. I just picked this up yesterday and we're already going to start modifying it. This trailer here is a power tilt deck trailer. See that you can tilt the trailer to load and unload, so you don't need any ramps. And this is basically the same setup as a dump trailer. I did the same modification on that dump trailer to be able to use a cheap wireless remote controller for it. And I was going to do a video on that, and I recorded it, and then I lost a bunch of the footage, so I never got to make that video. Okay, so here's what we've got to do this. In this case, I just went to Harbor Freight and I got one of the Badlands wireless winch controllers. Normally I use the $20 Amazon wireless winch controllers. I've used them on quite a few things. Some of them I've been using for, I don't know, probably 4 years now. And never had to do anything to them besides one of them I had to replace the battery in the remote. But every single one I've ever used still works perfect. In this case, I went with the Harbor Freight one because I could just walk in the store and buy it. You're going to need a couple diodes. You can buy a 20 pack of these things on Amazon for just a few bucks. I bought these quite a while ago and still got a lot of them left. That's one thing I miss about Radio Shack. You used to be able to just walk into a Radio Shack and get stuff like that. So what you need to do is you need to add 2 diodes. I had to take this apart to determine which wires were what, because this was set up with a plug-and-play deal for their winches. So I had to figure out which wires were what, and what we determined was yellow was battery positive, black was battery negative, the blue and the brown wires are your switched wires for running the controller. So this blue wire splits off the top side of this diode, where I've got these 2 wires wide into this one red wire. That's on this side of the diode. These diodes are basically like a one-way check valve for electricity. They let power flow one way but not the other way. The issue is that you need a 3rd wire that turns the motor on and off, and that motor has to go on and off for both up and down. So if you just wire it together to the motor, it's going to backfeed and it's not going to work. So you have to add these 2 diodes. So these 2 diodes, or this motor wire splits to these. These are on that side of the diode, so the power can flow this way, but it can't flow back this way, so when power comes in this side, it doesn't come back up this side. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. So now on the pump side of things, we have this relay that turns the motor on and off, the hydraulic motor on and off, and then we've got these 2 solenoid valves. Basically, that wire that we wired is going to go to the relay for the motor, and then the other 2 are going to go to these solenoid valves. Should be the top red and the green here that control the solenoid, and it should be this white wire here that controls this relay. Oh, yeah, to keep this one short and sweet, really that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.